Hey, what's up? What's going on, Pundi X holders? So today video is going very informative for Pundi X holder. But I exit start this video. I request you, my brothers, to please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe it. If you just click on the subscribe, I complete my 3K subscribe, and I do a giveaway of Pundi X token. So absolutely, giveaway is coming soon. Please wait for the giveaway. Just complete 3,000 subscribers. I hope you subscribe it. Okay, so first of all, I am telling something about this notice. If you can see here, the notice is found in here. Token sweep of 1000 NFXs. Token Pundi convert NFXs convert into Pundi X. So this time, if you can see here, some Pundi X holder asked me this question: to what we do? Our NFXs coin is absolutely very high. What we do and how we convert it. So this time, if you can see here, the notice is here. Absolutely, you can see the token sweep of 1000 NFXs to 1 Pundi X has taken place. You have taken. If you need to taken, then absolutely you taken from here. This link is absolutely very important for you, and I add this link in a comment box. If you need this link, then absolutely you found it in a comment box. So just go on a comment description and check out the description. The first link is that. Okay, so please, if you have any informative about this stuff, then please share it in a comment box. So let's get started the live production of Pundi X, guys. So first of all, if you can see here, the changes is absolutely a negative. Today is absolutely last 24-hour result is absolutely a negative. Guys, this time some holder asked me to what we do. We sell, we buy, what we do in this situation. So I explain my in this video to what we do, and I'm also share my opinion in this video. So kindly, this is cannot order you to buy or sell. I just share my opinion. Also you share your opinion in a comment box. So let's check out the market cap. The market cap is absolutely a negative. If you can see here, the market cap is 1.20% goes down. Absolutely, and this is the morning time. All cryptocurrencies goes down. So Pundi X is already goes down. So if you can see here, the full diluted market cap is 1.21%. This is absolutely goes down. So what we do, the volume is absolutely go down. You can see here 8.45% goes down. So what we do in this bad situation, everyone understand this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency goes down in those days. So what we do in this situation, this is absolutely critical situation for our holder of Pundi X. If we check out the last one day chart, then we understand to this is selling time or buying time. Okay, so let's check out the last one day chart, and then we decide to buy, sell, what we do. Okay, so guys, if you can see here, the chart is absolutely sometime taken absolutely high jump, but again they keep starting dumping up, and this situation and this time at the same time they absolutely goes down. So if you can see here, the price is 0.006981, and I hope they cross $1. My expectation is that they can cross $1 just in a few days. What you say? They can cross it to $1? What you say? Please share it in a comment box. And if you have any problem, if you have any problem, then please share it in a comment box. Okay, guys. So my opinion that this is absolutely good time for buying. What you say? This is buying time. I think this is absolutely buying time. And what your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. I just share my opinion, not order you to you just buy it. If you have any plan, then absolutely this is good time to you just buy it. Buy it and wait for the end of month, and I hope they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.